Hey, welcome back. We've got a quick and easy install today. We're going to change the mirrors on this 2024 Road Glide. Check it out. Now, it's not that I have a problem with these mirrors. I mean, these stock mirrors aren't terrible. You can see they do a good job as far as visibility, range of vision, and all that. You know, they're very nice mirrors. I just think they're boring. So we're going to change the mirrors. And very simple change out. All you got to do is take that one little acorn looking nut off the bottom with a 13mm wrench and pull the mirror off, put the other one on and try it again, and put the other one and tighten her back up. Pretty simple. So you see what they look like, stock. And I didn't go with anything super crazy. These mirrors are pretty much the same as what I have. They just have a little bit better looking stem, I guess. The mirror itself is not that much different. So the stem itself is what's changed. They're a little bit different shape than the stock mirrors, but you can see they have some edges, some little straight edges, and then they've got this stem that's got some machined area. And I think that machined stem goes really well with the machined areas on the engine as well as the wheels. And then also kind of ties in with that coil cover that I put on, and I will leave you a link for that as well as the mirrors. And you can see the mirror's about the same size. Not really that much different in size. A little bit different shape, which I kind of like. I like a big mirror. I don't like those little thin profile ones, so it ought to be a pretty good deal. I'll look pretty good on there when I'm done. See, they're about the same. Not much different. Maybe a little bit bigger, I don't know, hard to tell. But anyway, let's put them on and see how they look. Again, these are Amazon mirrors. These are very inexpensive, and I will again put a link down here for you at the bottom of the page. There they are, and they've got some spacers and some washers here, so we'll figure out what goes what. So let's get them on. I hope you can see it okay. I know there's a lot of light coming in from the back side, so it's going to be hard to see that. But anyway, 13mm wrench. I'm just using a ratchet wrench right here, and I've already broken this one loose. So just take that acorn nut off. Acorn looking cap nut off of there. Maybe it's a long one. And then just pull the mirror off. Alright, so let's get the new one on here. Had to move the mirror around, but you see I got this little spacer thing here put up there, and there is a set or a jam nut there if you need to change the way that looks, if you need to adjust that up higher. I have this little lock washer I'm going to put on, and the cap nut looks like an acorn. I don't know if that's what they call them or not. Just going to use 13mm wrench to tighten this down so it doesn't move. I like the looks of it. Looks really good, I think. Looks really good. I know you can't see that right now, but let's see how it looks. I like the looks of that mirror and shape. You see the machined area. I think that looks pretty cool. They're a little bit taller than my last set of mirrors, so we're gonna have to definitely adjust those up or down. Okay, got them all the way on. Move the bike out here so you can see how they look in the sun. Actually, don't look too bad. I like that that machined look to them. They look really good. I think those look a lot better than the old ones. They kind of go with the, like I said, some of the machine parts on the bike, like that coil cover right there, and the engine itself, and the wheels. I like that look. Really cool. And as you can see, the mirrors are about the same size. Didn't lose a whole lot of, you know, field of vision with those. Didn't lose any, actually. Might have gained some. But anyway, I think they look good. I think those look really cool. And if you're interested in checking out these mirrors, I'll put a link down below, like I said. And you can get some on your Road Glide. I appreciate you stopping by and checking out my videos, and I appreciate those who have subscribed. We've had, like I said earlier in another video, we've had a lot of subscribers come on board recently, and I'm very, very thankful. And I hope that you all keep coming back. Ride safe, and I'll see you on the next one.